DJN TV.
Dutch Appeal Court don tok say Shell dey liable for oil spill for Ogoni. My correct sabi person, Hello. How your side now? I welcome you to DJM TV Daily News Update, where we dey give una sharp gist wey dey happen for our country and all around the world. The matter wey we carry today na one matter wey dey sweet. E don dey on for a very long time now. Some persons fit don forget about the matter, but the matter e still dey for court for a very long time. Since 1995, na this matter dey for court. The matter dey concern one Niger Delta civil rights activist wey dey call Ken Saro-Wiwa, wey leg over on top of fight for environmental rights and protection for the Ogoni people dem. The Dutch Appeal Court don rule say Shell Nigeria dey responsible for all the oil leaks for the Niger Delta, and e come order dem to pay compensation to the farmers wey carry dem go court. Ken Saro-Wiwa na one guy for Ogoni land wey dey fight against the injustice wey Shell dey do the people, sake of say as dey drill oil for their land, dem dey cause oil spill wey dey kill their crops and their livestock there. So for that time, based on annoyance, everybody blood dey hot, the youth there for the town, they come catch 4 of the chiefs, they come give them jungle justice. But Ken Saro-Wiwa not dey there wey the thing happen. But sake of say na military government dey that time for Naija, they just hurry, give them short sleeve them, cut short their life. But even after the Ken Saro-Wiwa and the remaining 8 people, they don leg over. The things wey they say they fight for, some people still carry the matter for head. Wetin be things wey they fight for? Yeah, they fight say Shell dey do double standard. E dey drill oil for years, dem dey earn good profit from shareholders, but dem dey leave the host community there for serious level of pollution. And e come talk say this level of pollution, e dey very devastating, sake of say where dem for dey drill oil, people no fit even farm for there again. People no fit even go farm again, because the oil dey kill their crops, the oil dey kill their livestock. Na that one na the guy talk o. Na him talk say no. Shell must pay for wetin they do. So when the government, they call cash and do what they call say the guy dey guilty of wetin they call am, say the 4 chiefs wey the youth dey give jungle justice, say na Ken Saro-Wiwa na tell them make they go and do the whole thing. So he dey guilty of first degree buying of somebody. So even when the whole world dey tell the then military president of Nigeria, military ruler of Nigeria, late General Sani Abacha, say this thing what you want do, no good o. The Sani Abacha no still lis ten. He say in fact they must do am to prove to the whole world say the Nigerian military government then they not be weakling, they can do what they want to do, they can stand by their word. When people call Shell, say Shell, this matter na because of una. Oya make una still intervene so that they no go execute these people. Shell say they no abeg o, they no wan put matter wey no concern them o. Say Nigeria na sovereign nation, they can decide to do what they want to do. So Shell they just cross legs, say consider no say the thing go favour them. But meanwhile, they already sue they go court for this matter, and this matter don dey court since 1995. Again, one of some of the words the way Ken Saro-Wiwa talk, e get one he talk, he say you go fit buy person o, but you no fit comot you no fit buy the person idea. He say na legacy wey we go leave and others go take over the mantle. And na so true somebody else come take up this fight, say Shell must pay for the damage wey they do to the Ogoni land. One Ogoni environmental rights activist wey they call Celestine Akpobari, He say dis judgment wey di Dutch appeal court don give, he say e sweet di Niger Delta pipo well for belle o, sake of say di judgment don vindicate Oga Sense Arowiwa say di fight wey e dey fight for environmental right na beta fight na e fight. He say with dis judgment so Shell no get any hiding place at all o, as na their own government na don even convict dem say dem don commit plenty kasala against di environment. Say dis judgment dey give am joy o. Say if na Nigerian court na give di judgment, e for be another thing. I wish na Nigerian government na wan convict Shell say na Shell do dis thing. E for be, you know how the whole matter dey be na, you know how the matter dey be. Say but as na their own Dutch government na dey convict dem so, say dem don commit plenty atrocity against the environment, dem no get anywhere wey dem wan hide again. Mr. Celestine come talk say dis judgment e dey also dey give hope to the people of the Niger Delta, say last dem don catch the destroyer of their environment, and the expectation of wetin dem say go happen for Ogoniland don also translate to other parts of the region. On top of the compensation wey the judgment give, dem say Shell Nigeria go pay for everything wey dem do. E tok say the judgment e don bring justice o, and say the money dem go pay for compensation e go help many of the communities dem wey lose their schools, their fish pond, their bakery and many other things to re-establish theirself, and e go also help the community to develop. Even the former president of the movement for the survival of Ogoni people, MUSOP, wey dem dey call Mr. Saro, e don also talk say the judgment e don give Ogoni people sense of justice and fulfilment. E tok say e go also show people say people fit go outside the shores of dis country to go get justice. Plus e also tok say the ruling go help to promote security sef for the area. E say dis judgment don strengthen the call for extraterritorial judicial system wey different groups for different parts of the world dey call for in recent times. E also tok say e get another thing wey we go know, say any company whether na Shell or na another one go know say with dis judgment wey dem don give so, dem dey accountable for their own country, even for Nigeria, for abuse wey dem don do to the third world countries dem. So while dem dey wait for the specifics of the judgment as e take concern the compensation, as e take concern how much wey dem go pay, the people for Ogoniland, all the environmental rights artists dem don happy say dis judgment to Shell make e also apply to other international companies dem wey dey operate for the Niger Delta region o. Say because the judgment na against oil production for the Niger Delta and e concern every single one of dem. Una go know say dis judgment wey e come so na better thing, because at least now all the oil companies wey dey for Nigeria dem don know say dem no get where dem wan hide go. If Nigeria court no gree give justice to the people of the Niger Delta sake of say dis oil companies the way dey collect oil for their land, dem dey destroy their water ponds, their fish ponds, dem dey destroy their water system, their rivers, so oil go dey float on top. Dem no dey fit farm, dem no dey fit go do fishing, nothing, so things hard for that side, and then the oil for dey come. Host community suppose to dey enjoy dividends of dis oil wey dey for their land, but dem no dey enjoy am because say the companies dey give some few people money, dem dey call dey throway eye comot for the important things wey dem suppose to do for the community, and wey dey go cause environmental problem like oil spillage. Dem no dey take am serious because dem dey feel say nobody who dey there, nobody go fit talk to dem. But with wetin don happen to Shell so, all the other companies dem go buckle up, dem go sit up tight because dem go know say their own countries dey safe, go fit still convict dem if dem fuck up. Well, my people, I no know how you see this matter. You sef chook mouth put. How you see this judgment? E make sense abi e no make sense? Make you not forget to like and to share this video. No forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update wey dey give una the correct and the sharp gist as dey take dey happen for our country. Me wey read this news for you so, my name sef na Lawuro Favour, and I be your girl and your country sister.
DJM TV. DJ ATV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.